Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to place this custom waypoint in the map. So when I left click, you can see a custom waypoint is placed on the map. So if I go out of the map, close the map, you can see that custom waypoint over there. And also if I click it again on the map, you can see the waypoint location is changed. So now it should be behind the player. See? Okay, so that's what I'm going to work on today. How to place a custom waypoint. Okay, so now I can play the game and open the map to zoom in, zoom out, and also I can select checkpoints to fast travel, etc. Right, and also under each icon I can see the distance. So the next step I want to make is creating a custom travel waypoint. So for that, let me open PPI map. Sorry, not this one. Widget map. Now here, if I select this one, and we have this event binding on mouse button down. So do I have anything bound to that? No. So let's create a binding and mouse event. Let's get screen space position. This is a vector 2D. Let's print it and see what do we have here. Oh, we need to have a return value. Event reply. Let's make one. We can get the location. So this top left is 500. Okay, so we get the location in screen space. Okay, I developed this function of the recording, this map post to world. Let me rename it map mouse position to world. So here, this is the function. So here what I'm doing is, the reason I did not record this is because it took a lot of iteration to correctly get the function done. So even if I try to do it again, it would be somewhat same. So I'm not trying to do it again. So, but here is the function. So here what I'm doing is I get the mouse position scaled by DPI and also get the viewport size and get the viewport scale and figure out the corresponding word location, only x and y coordinates, when I write that maps to the mouse position. So here in this function, on when I press mouse, instead of this I can use map mouse position to world and print this location. So now here, if I play the game and open the map, and if I right click here, sorry, I get X 2000 something and Y 22,000 something. Right, I think there is a mistake still. Then that is these two should be interchanged, because the y-axis represents x-axis in our map. In the y-axis of the map is representing the forward axis in the world. So if I right click here, I get x something closer to 0, but here this one should be something closer to 500,000 in x. Here x minus 500 something, closer to minus 500 something. Similarly here y is closer to minus 500. See, and here y is closer to plus 500,000. Okay, so here it is closer to 0. Okay, so now we do have a way to get the corresponding word location from the mouse when we are using the mouse, and it works even if I zoom out or pan. See, it is working. Right, so now what we need to do is place in a custom waypoint. For that, we can simply spawn a checkpoint, but before that, to see if it is working, what can we do? Yeah, let's just simply spawn a checkpoint without thinking too much. So I don't need this one. Spawn actor from class pp checkpoint default. Oh, try to this location, but always spawn here. Let's break, no, split, make, transform, and as the location I'll simply put this. But remember that here we don't have a set location, so it would be 0. Rotation 0, fine. Scale is 111, is also fine. So now let's go here, open the map, right click here, close the map. Here we have another checkpoint and an additional checkpoint, but only if I open the map again, where I don't see that. Why? Hold on. This edge is 100,000 by 100,000. Oh, yeah. So actually, this value should be 200 by 200. So then it, if I click on the edge, the value becomes 100,000 by 100,000. So yeah, let's try it now. If I open the map and click here, now I close the map, you can see a checkpoint is spawned there. If I press M again, you can see that checkpoint is there. But do I have a suitable icon for custom waypoint? No. So I quickly created this icon and imported it here. So let me create the child of the checkpoint widget. Sorry, not the widget, checkpoint blueprint. Where is it? PP checkpoint. I'll name it PP custom waypoint. Right. Now here as the default icon, I'll use it's just custom. I'll use this one. Right. And here, instead of creating checkpoint, I'll use custom waypoint. So it should be clear. Created, but it's not updated in the map once I create it. So let's look into that. Here we have the custom waypoint. What happened there? Right, we have the tail. Okay, and another thing, now let's see how to get it appear in the map right away. So for that, in the heart, we have this update icons function. Where is it? Toggle map. Okay, it's not actually a function. It's this collapsed graph. So what if we, after placing the custom waypoint, what if we called toggle map with the true again? We can get a controller get what toggle map with the true. Yeah, now you can see it does appear. But yeah, it should have a white background. Hmm. So let's save it, re-import. Right now it should be more clear. Better. And if I right click again, I should not be creating two. Oh, it works for left click as well. Right, that's okay. So no, actually that's not okay. What's this? No, this one. So if we try to add it to the viewport again, when it is already in the viewport, we get that delay, get that error. So to avoid that, let's do this. Right now, when we add a new waypoint, a custom waypoint, let's first check if we already have any custom waypoints. So for that, I can use get all actors of class custom waypoint. This is a function. Okay, so let me promote this to a local variable. Custom waypoint. Oh, actually, we don't need this because we are not consuming it. So, what we oh yeah, no, we need it still. So here we can check the length. If the length is greater than 0, that means we have elements there. We need more space here. like this. And if this is false, that means we don't have any elements. So in that case, we need to spawn. If we do, we can get the first element and set the this one, this variable. And after that, no matter what, we are going to get this variable and set world location set actor location. Okay, still it's multiplying. Why? Right, so actually what happens is, even though this checkpoint is not created twice, we are not disabling the map because of that, because only when we disable the map, we delete these map icons. So what we can do is, we can quickly call the same to with a false to refresh the map. What happened in let's have a we can't have delay here. Then why not? But we do have these icon slots, so maybe we can do something like this. Instead of trying to call this one, we can collapse nodes, clear icons, run a for each loop, and remove from parent. Okay, let's try that. Okay, right. It is working. Great. And yeah, that's it actually. That's all I want to wanted to do here. Oh, one more thing here. Unmap mouse button down key. Is there a way to check this? Which button is pressed? Git defect in button equal to left mouse button. So only if we click left mouse button, we should get the custom waypoint. It should not work for right click. Good. It is working as intended. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to stop this episode right here. And thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.